What's up, guys? Today is a bit of a different video, but as you can see right here, bam, Sonic Lego set. Now you might be wondering, why did I get this? Well, they had a Mario Kart tournament the other day, or I guess a couple days ago, and I won this bad boy for getting first place because I'm literally goated. But yeah, I decided I might as well just speed build this. Let me get this pencil. Might as well speed build this, and cause I got nothing else to do. It's currently 8:28, so I'm just gonna hop into it, and yeah, it's gonna be like a time lapse type video. But let's at least unbox the box and let's go over the details. Okay, so I just unloaded the box and they gave me step by steps on which bag I should open up first and what I should do last. This thick, heavy manual, so I guess we're gonna start with the first bag. And yeah, here we go. We got Amy in here and a crab. So let's get to building. Alright guys, it's been 13 minutes of recording so far, and we have a crab, and we have Amy over here with her pink hammer. So yeah, wasn't that bad, pretty fun just putting these things together, not a second thought in mind, just kinda just doing what the menu says, and well, yeah, we're finished with the first bag, so I'll set those over there. In the next bag is Tails, aka this big gigantic bag. Well, let's just get right into it, baby. Let's just get right into it. Wow, man, that was like 30 something minutes. But here we go. We have this contraption. And look at that, when you push down on that, the emerald comes out. Isn't that dope? That whole emerald is exposed. Uh-oh. Oh, never mind. Crisis averted. There. We got Tails on his hoverboard. And yeah, that was pack number 2. Ooh, we're almost there, man. We're halfway. We have, from the guidebook, we're starting to work on the main area with pack number 3, which is this big pack right here. So once again, we're gonna move our boy Tails to the side and his baggie and all that, and we're gonna work on oh yeah, also we're gonna move this. We're gonna work on the 3rd area now, so let's get to it. I'm probably gonna end the video right here, and then I'm gonna restart it so that the storage doesn't get too wild. That footage now saved. Let's get on to the 3rd bag. That's freaking sick. Alright, after a long 30 minutes, here we have it. We got a little pool section, a little heart at the top. That freaking bridge is so sick, man. Like, look at that. Look at it. Isn't that so fire, dude? That a Lego. This is that gas. And I love to see it, man. We're almost there. Final packet. And also we have some critters. I'm gonna just throw them in the pool. Once this is complete, we'll be done. And we'll see the progress. So, let's get into it. Alright guys, we are officially done. So let's bam. Here is the completed Sonic beach set with the Amy, Tails, and his surfboard, and this crab. But yeah, this set is sick. Here it is from the front, a little bit from the top. You got this thing that reveals the emerald, which is awesome. If we turn it around, we can see they have like this weird mirror area. Oh, I got like a gem down there, a brush, a baby bottle. It looks like beds actually, so that must be their house. It's cool. Yeah, and this freaking bridge, bro. Watch this. Literally the coolest thing I've ever seen. But yeah. I mean, if you made it this far in the freaking thing, thank you for watching. But thanks to my Mario Kart expertise, I was able to get this for free. And now I can just have it in my room. So yeah, it was pretty fun making this. Probably not gonna do this again because I don't buy Legos, but it was fun to build this. Just to take some time to just do whatever. And I guess the whatever is it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Love you guys. Later.